Today, we take an important step towards our future. This partnership is going to allow us to put even more focus into you guys. There's limits that I can reach us to on my own. Groundworks can blow these limits out of the water. They come in, they can bring in new equipment, new product, new tools, and everything you need. They can bring up and take you guys from where you are today to running branches. There's a lot of opportunity.
We're excited to be here. Now I want to be the first to welcome you to Groundworks. We have 80 offices around the country, but this is literally the fastest growing home services company in America.
We are stronger together. Groundworks is by far the industry leader. We are part of that now. We're part of the tribe. Take this opportunity and continue your career, progress it. Be the best you can be.
Today is the day you can change your life. If you seize opportunity, you can do anything.